This morning I woke up, doing from another dream. I sat up alone in my palace, drenched in cold sweat. My bloodshot eyes were exposed by the sun rays. And being that I was alone, I was only exposed to myself. The silence was echoing in my head as I stepped out over the city. Chico, there was a time when nobody believed in me. I always knew to look above it. And now, I'm looking above them. And what do they know about the struggle, the hustle? And what do they know about adversity anyways? Yeah, I come from the slums, but so what? I could repeat it to you 100 times if I want. I could write it in a letter, but nothing will let you know I'm Jefe more than my cold silence.
I can't help that we're the greatest. It's what they put us here for. And like that,
Es el mundo.
we gone.